BYD, the world's leading manufacturer of new energy vehicles, has introduced the ATTO 3 EVO, an upgraded version of the model that helped establish the brand among European customers. The new model measures 4,455mm in length, 1,875mm in width, and 1,615mm in height, with a wheelbase of 2,720mm. On the outside, the design changes are subtle yet effective, giving the SUV a more refined appearance. Updates include a redesigned front bumper, simplified window graphics, refreshed rear lighting, and more elegant wheel designs. Inside the cabin, the ATTO 3 EVO maintains its familiar layout while adding modern enhancements. A new 8.8-inch digital driver display, complemented by 15.6-inch rotating touchscreen that now supports integrated Google services for improved connectivity. The gear selector has been relocated to the front column, creating more space in the center console and contributing to a cleaner interior design. Higher-spec variants further enhance comfort with features such as head-up display and heated rear seats. Practicality has also improved. Boot space has increased to 490 liters and can be expanded to 1360 liters with the rear seats folded. Additionally, a new 101-liter front trunk provides extra storage. The SUV is now capable of towing up to 1500 kg, adding to its versatility. Under the hood, the ATTO 3 EVO is powered by a 74.8 kWh battery pack and is available in both rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive configurations, replacing the earlier front-wheel drive only setup. The rear-wheel drive version delivers 309 brake horsepower and 380 Nm of torque, enabling a 0 to 100 km/h sprint in 5.5 seconds and offering a WLTP range of up to 510 km. The all-wheel drive variant produces 443 brake horsepower and 560 Nm of torque, achieving 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.9 seconds with a WLTP range of up to 470 km. A major upgrade comes in the form of a shift from 400V to 800V electrical systems. This allows for DC fast charging at up to 220 kW with a claimed 10 to 80% charging time of approximately 25 minutes. The vehicle also retains its vehicle-to-load capability, enabling it to power external devices at up to 3 kW.